More strawberries. Grasshopper.
Yeah. Put the strawberries with the other ones.
Is that a grasshopper?
Yeah.
Oh, can I touch it?
Yeah, grab him. He's going to try jump. Yeah, grab him a bit higher up. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Show me.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's have a look.
Like grasshopper.
That's cool, that is.
Mum, looks like a grasshopper.
Cool. Yeah, look. Bend down. Go on then. Put him on the grass and watch him jump off.
Look, it's not jumping.
Yeah. Look, there he goes.
Oh, yeah. Damn.
There he is.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch. Put him on you. See him jump?
Yeah.
Watch.
No, it is. Don't come where are you? Where's he gone?
Yeah, hold your hand out. I'll put him on your hand and watch him jump. Yeah, watch. Watch him jump. Wow! Look, he landed all the way over here.
Oh, yeah. Love that. Look at it. Grasshopper.
Go on then. Let him go.
He likes to move. Don't get him.
Come on then.
There he is.
Let's go.